Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is bahalı. Ba-ha-lı. Bahalı can mean expensive, pricey, or high-priced. Let's see some phrases. An expensive gift, a pricey restaurant, high-priced item. Let's see what do they sound like in Azerbaijani. Bahalı hediye. Hediye is a gift. Bahalı restoran. Now we write restoran, we read restoran. It's easier and more smooth. Bahalı eşya. Eşya means thing, item. Let's see some sentences to understand how to use it better. Bu bahalı otel rahatlığı ve hizmeti ile seçilir. This expensive, meaning luxury, hotel stands out with its comfort and service. Bu bahalı otel, this expensive hotel. Rahatlığı, with its comfort, ve and hizmeti, with its service, ile means with, seçilir stands out. Bu bahalı otel rahatlığı ve hizmeti ile seçilir. Let's see another sentence. O bahalı bileti alarak konserte gitmek benim için hususi bir tecrübe oldu. Buying that expensive ticket and going to the concert was a special experience for me. Did you notice, just like in restaurant, we wrote and we read restaurant, you hear it's written concerte, and I read it as concerte. That usually happens with the loan words. As you see, those are the loan words. We switch them into from O to A for smooth pronunciation. Now, o bahalı bileti alarak, meaning by buying that expensive ticket. You see, remember from previous videos, I said O can mean he, she, or it. Usually when it's that's the case, you will see a comma after O. But here you don't see. That means in this case, it means that. O bahalı bileti alarak konserte gitmek. Buying that expensive ticket and going to the concert. Benim için, for me, hususi, special, bir tecrübe, an experience oldu, was. All right, that was today's word bahalı. You don't have to use it in such a long, full Azerbaijani sentence. It can be something like, my wallet saw that bahalı watch and took a sick day. One of my dad jokes. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterozaberjan.com for more. I'll see you there. Cheers.